Another day, another check sa bucket list. Package C yung pinili ko to try both pistol and rifle. May kasama na ring instructor to orient you and of course to ensure safety at all times. First gun, pistol. I don't think nauulit pa ako gumamit ng pistol. I'm quite traumatized with this gun. Parang gusto ko nang umatras sa sobrang gulat ko sa unang putok. Talagang natakot ako. They checked on me kung kamusta ako, kamusta yung first try, and I told them that I got wild imaginations kasi parang puro spark na lang yung nakita ko after the first shot. Pero ginusto ko to kaya tuloy lang. Pero I think I'll end up hitting myself kasi sa sobrang lakas ng recoil niya, bumabalik sa akin yung basyo ng bala. Second gun, rifle. And of course, like the first gun, the instructor will orient you how to handle the gun. Sobrang na-enjoy ko to. Kung uulit man ako mag-firing, for sure uulitin ko ang rifle. Intimidating lang yung itsura niya, pero ang handy lang niya, hindi siya ganun kabigat. Tapos, ang pinakagusto ko sa kanya, hindi ganun kalakas yung recoil niya, kaya hindi na ako natakot kasi wala na masyadong spark na makikita. After firing, the instructor will check the gun for safety purposes. Look at that smile. Sobrang saya ko to see my target board. Grabe.